sea of sand, and then you get like the rain coming through. And this turns it into mud. And like when you have mud sitting out for a long time, just like that over there, it gets very hard. But if you have a lot of it and a lot of it above it, it compacts the sand and it makes it into stone. Okay, this is pretty big. Oh, and we're gonna flip it if we can.
Wow.
And then you're gonna get your flash floods, which is 200 to 250,000 years. Oh, okay, I was like, is that dead? Just like that.
That is really cool.
Yeah. So it's still very warm, but this is just like a normal canyon over here.
Yeah.
So if you want to look at it right there. It's really cool.
Thank you.